D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Student Meteorologist is the overnight edition. Let's start with the tropics. You can see we have three systems. We have Earl, we have Danielle, and we have a tropical low that has an 80% chance of developing. Danielle is going out to sea. Not much to worry about on her. So we're not going to go really into her tonight. What we're going to go into tonight is concentrate on Earl. Earl has hurricane warnings out for the northern islands, and he has his eyes set towards the mid-Atlantic coast, but looks to stay out to sea when we take a look at the forecast models. National Hurricane Center track puts it probably roughly 200 miles off, maybe a little bit more off North Carolina coast, 4 days out. As you see here, we do have hurricane warnings in the islands and tropical storm warnings in Puerto Rico. And let's get off close to Massachusetts. Like I said, the cone of uncertainty does touch the mainland of the United States. So if it stays further to the west, it could still make landfall somewhere in the United States. So we have to be very careful and keep an eye on this here at liveweatherblogs.com. Stay with us because we'll keep you updated. Taking a look at the visible satellite before the sun went down, well defined here. Nice outflow going there as it was moving towards the islands. Try to find out some information on that. Looking at the computer models, as I said, most of these do keep it out to sea. Other thing is, this is a large system, so if this gets any larger, this could make some effects other than the high rip current and high wave threat. Looking at the intensity model, it looks to become a major hurricane within 60 hours. Taking a look at severe weather now. Look at the Davison risk factor. It's back for today's risk factor. North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska, 60% on the hail, 80% on the wind, and 45% on the tornadoes. There is a little bit more than a slight chance of tornadoes in the Midwest, but wind being the strongest probability. And then into Tuesday, we have Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas, 60% on the hail, 85% on the wind, and 50% on the tornadoes. Taking a look at the Storm Prediction Center's map for tomorrow, you can see there's where we outlined it in the Davison risk factor. And then on Tuesday, as it pushed further to the east, we outlined that in the Davison risk factor. So looking now at the triad forecast and this heat wave, 92 today, 94 Tuesday, 95 Wednesday, 92 Thursday, 91 Saturday, lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s throughout with partly sunny skies. And the Roanoke Valley forecast, partly sunny throughout, 91 today, 93 Tuesday, 97 Wednesday, 92 Thursday, and 89 on Friday. Like I said, with the triad, we're going to stay in the upper 60s, lower 70s throughout. So stay with liveweatherblogs.com for the latest on the tropics and the heat wave of ending. This is D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com.